Okay, 1 second. A stream will start immediately. Need to set up my microphone and all sorts of stuff. 1 second. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please line hold. Please hold the line. Please line the hold. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please light the horn. Please the hold line. Please hold line the. Please hold the line. Please the line hold the line. Please the line hold the line. Please the line hold the line. Please hold line. Hold line please. Hold line please please. Please 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 hold line. Where's the chat? The chat got away. But not for long. Because I will rebuild the chat. 1 second. Now I will write something like test. And let me see if I am, let me see, oh, I'm hearing myself. And hello and thanks for the heart. Yeah, hello by the way, and hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I try to set up a few things before I will start the stream. And yes, need to kind of wake. Yeah, here we have, yes, BG bricks. So what do I wanna do? I will copy that because we want to, yeah, gain different colors for our little picture here. We see in the chat how many viewers. Yeah, wanna set up a few things for our little picture, however you wanna call it. And for that, yeah, we need to set things up. Oh. Sorry, I'm already like falling asleep. I should have started so much earlier, but I couldn't find the motivation. So yeah, unfortunately I could start that lately. Okay, is it? No, it's not there. BG13, no, BG bricks. I want to put this inside this file. Ah, yeah, there we go. No. Yeah, here we go. Ah, okay, so now we are kind of make transparent. We are gonna do a new file here. Change color. Yeah, now I accidentally clicked too early on enter. Change color. Like this. And 1 second, I will have a few looks in the chat. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yes, I'm just setting a few things up. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to define a new function that changes color. For that we need 2 things. First of all, make transparent stuff as a kind of blueprint. And then instead of new data append, we need a new color. Let's say for I in range. How many bricks do we have? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's also enumerate it because for later use. Here we go. And now, and hello Catalyst. Hello, how are you doing? Yeah, now you are perfect on time. I just started recently, so yeah, perfect timing regarding that. And yeah, I'm trying to recolor a certain picture or a certain file, because if we run our new function, we kind of get this new level layout. Let me see. Yeah, you can see it, which looks way better than the last ones. But yeah, the bricks are always gray, and we want to get new colors regarding the bricks. And yeah, for adding random colors, we will add a new function. Sorry. Add a new function. And yeah, this function shall, and by the way, the chat is not listed like I wanted it to be, so add it in a new window. Oh, 1 second, or maybe 2 seconds, depends on low I am. Top chart. Here I go. 1 second. Yeah, already 5 minutes into streaming. Only 5 minutes into streaming. And yeah. Okay, 1 second. I will reset the chat. Adding filters. So I guess it was a lunar key filter. Perfect. Yeah. Got the white filter. Yeah, perfect. Okay, what is new? I missed your stream. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I kind of need to stream much earlier. Usually I start streaming at, I guess, around 10 to 11, but yeah, lately, kind of when I already started streaming, I'm so happy that I started, but it's kind of, yeah, hard to get yourself into starting the stream. I don't really know why. I mean, it's super fun to stream, but and if you already started streaming, it's super fun, but yeah, the way of telling yourself now I start streaming is kind of the hard part. So where was I? I was at, yeah, here, enumerate, and now we need to use the ham generator because we need to, yeah, image draw flood fill. And important is that the last one is always 255. Now let's see, ham generator, change color. Okay, and now is emg1 image png, and we save it as image new png. Okay, and flood fill image. Now let's simply run change color. Okay. Now let's see, result image new, here we go. Okay, nothing changed. Which is kind of, Okay, but yeah. Maybe if I use something else. Now image new. Okay, so nothing changes. Okay, well, do you know how can we for alternative for VS Code? Okay, well, can we use Pygame for alternative for VS Code? If you're doing it in for Python, I would say if you're coding in Python, I would always prefer a Pygame for VS Code, but not for C and C sharp. Yeah, not for, but not for C and C sharp. Let me see what would be the best one. C sharp IDE. Maybe I remember something. VS Code. Ah, Eclipse. Yes, I would use Eclipse because I already use Eclipse for Java and I've already seen that there's a Eclipse for C. So I would, yeah, use Eclipse. And can tkinter be used to develop a game? Not really. I mean, you can code tic-tac-toe or hangman with tkinter. But if you want to make a real game, you would use something like Pygame, and tkinter can be the starting GUI. Like if we want to start the game and you want to first have a GUI where you can have certain settings for the game and stuff like that, you can use tkinter for a GUI. But for the GUI for the game, but not really for the game itself. Yeah. Okay, now I will try to solve why it won't change the color in any way. In free license. Yeah, I just use the community version of PyCharm, and yeah, for example, Eclipse has also a user-friendly, I mean, like yeah, community version. PyCharm is open source, I guess, if I remember correctly, and not PyCharm, I mean Eclipse. PyCharm has a community and a developer version. And of course you have a lot of pros and with the developer version, but for me the community version is enough for the starting stuff. Yeah, I can kind of do that. For example, for logging, debugging, or yeah, should be possible. Yeah, if you have, for example, it's just a matter of, yeah, for example, if you see probably this yellow underscore. This is just a formation thing. If we, for example, do a mistake like this, there's a red underscore, which means there's something significantly wrong. And in any case, you have the console on the bottom. Hopefully it's not, yeah, it's not, it's viewable. On the bottom you have the console, and usually when you do something like a mistake, like here, we get usually line 8, and then you have something like the line where you got the error. And if you have multiple modules, you should be looking in the first line. And for example, yeah, if you look at the first line, for example, if you have multiple modules, importing them, then for example, what can we do? 3. Let me use an exception like this. Yeah, you have something like a line 899 in float fill, but this is not relevant because this is a package we use. But in the first line, we get actually our own. We can simply click on it. Here we are on the model we are using, but in the first, if we click on the first mistake or the first exception, we already switch to our own module, and there we see the yellow underscore, and we can simply change it. Hope that helped a little bit. Yeah, it's really a smart one. Debugging is kind of the process of, can just be the process of, looking for a bug. You can also, it is, for example, logging or print, using the print function. It can also be viewed as a process of or kind of debugging. But on smaller projects, debugging is not that difficult. Yeah. And thank you for asking, because I kind of always need new topics regarding what I can cover. So I'm happy if there are any questions in the chat. So feel free to ask and don't be shy. And I will always, if you recommend PyCharm. Okay. As the gray labels are just comments. Or what do you mean? Do you mean gray labels when something like this is gray, like gray variable equals 0? Or not in this code, but how do we make a gray variable? More like this, a gray variable like this, or something like this. This is gray, because there's a small difference between this one and this one. This one is just an unused variable inside a function. So it is simply say if we move our cursor around it, we get the window which is called local variable gray var value is not used. And as long as it's not used, it is marked as gray. And if we are using it like gray var plus equals 1, now you see it turned white, and if we again delete it, it will again turn gray. And the other one are just comments. Commenting your code just means you are writing something which is not looked by, which is simply ignored by the compiler or anything like this. And is for example, here I wanted to include the source where I got this code. And I use it as a comment, so it will be ignored by the compiler and stuff like this. And okay, format FP. Where did you see it? Image draw, change code format. Strange that a game for Nintendo Switch can be developed with NumPy but not Pygame. I guess you really it's kind of cool that it can be developed with NumPy, but Pygame, NumPy is, I guess, especially for visual novels, but Pygame should also can transform it, but if you are using Pygame and then transform it to something playable on the Switch, you may be even considering using another language. And but there are even some indie games using Pygame. But yeah, most of the stuff I guess uses the values. Okay, 1 second. I will have a look. We'll have a quicker look in a few seconds. Email. So this is simply gray because I didn't use libraries yet. For example, import random is gray because I don't use a library. This is gray because it is just a command marked by this, this sign here. Oh, I can hear myself. I'm sorry. Or what do you exactly mean with gray? No, down there. FP? Okay. This is really simple in new data, yeah. You mean this gray one or this XY? Because usually if you have arguments, keyboard arguments, he kind of shows you what of the arguments in the function is used. For example, this is if you write something like a function, let me just write something, def test function, which uses the arguments like argument 1 and argument 2. Return argument 1 multiplied with argument 2 multiplied with argument multiplied with 3. And now if we use a test function and we have 2 and 3 as an input, he automatically thinks the 2 is argument 1 and the 3 is argument 2, and he writes it in gray. The gray in the gray signs will simply disappear if we type something like argument 3 equals 3 and argument 1 equals 2, because then he don't has to guess which number is which argument by its own. That's simple. Yeah, it's simple, but if you didn't saw it before, it kind of may confuse you, because gray stuff is usually used to show something which is irrelevant, but in this case it's not irrelevant. Relevant, I can't pronounce it. Not relevant. Yeah, let's simply say not relevant. Okay. Now, trying to figure out why nothing is changed here. Change color. Two. Where's the image? Here and here. I don't get why it is simply the same. Maybe I should pass. Should first do it like this, so. But again, nothing changes. Okay, strange. Now I'm confused. Okay, this shouldn't be. Why is this that much of an issue? maybe integer color divided by 3 multiplied with 2. Okay. Okay. I have another idea. Where is it? Make transparent. Change color, maybe. Oh, because I'm dumb and stupid. Forgot the 4th value. Now let me see. Okay, still doesn't change anything. Am I stupid? Probably. But it should at least some change. But as you can see, nothing did change at all. Okay, so maybe. How did I do it here? If image draw. Okay. Now make transparent. Okay. Not as easy as expected. Yeah, that's kind of twisted in PyCharm. Or it's not that hard if you get used to it, but yeah, in the beginning I also did a lot of mistake regarding that because I simply forgot that if we want to run it, you should right click on the module or right click or looking at what module you wanna run. You can't simply click on run here. But if you get used to it, it's kind of the better one. Because the cool thing about PyCharm is it's so many options of refactoring it, copying stuff, and yeah, all sorts of things. And installing packages is so easy in PyCharm. That's why I usually prefer PyCharm. So that's the main cause why I'm usually preferring it. By the way, I forgot to put some music on. So let me just use some music. Streaming music. And yeah, we can continue with that after we had the ad. I can set up the tone. So let me see if it is too loud. No, shouldn't be too loud. If you can hear my voice too much, or please tell me, then I will kind of try to fix it. Okay, but back to business. And that I want to see Helmet generator. Okay, Helmet generator. Change color. Im array. Let's datas. S type. Where's S type? Image core. Okay. So okay, so image, maybe this one. Okay, not at all. Ah, okay. Here we have the problem. Datas. Let's try it with img. Okay. Like this. Okay, nothing in S type. Okay, so don't work like this. But there should be another way how to solve it. There's always a way. So what can we do next trying to solve it? Oh, I accidentally closed the music. Okay, back to the music. And now, going to check out the Python course now. Active in the next few hours. I will be back, my friend. Cool. 1 second. I'll be back, my friend. See you now. Translate. Oh yes, I know that it sometimes doesn't do its thing. Yeah, see you. Maybe I don't stream that long today, but yeah. Tomorrow I will try to stream also, and I will also stream the next day. So yeah, if I don't see you today, see you maybe tomorrow or the day after that. And yeah, good luck. I wish you best luck with the course. And yeah, see you. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can come back to the stream and ask them. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. Oh. Perfect. What was the last thing I did? I was going to do something. Wanted to yeah, something like here. Do I need this, by the way? Oh yes, I need it. Draw. Oh, okay, so change. Maybe I need another tutorial. I also need a tutorial regarding how I can set up, yeah, something like, oh, I'm sorry for worrying. I wanted to say how I can set something up like, let me have a look. Color image PIL should be in a tutorial. Image operations. Oh, I will try this. This looks awesome. Okay, first we need import from PIL, import image. Oops. Ops for operation, not oops. Oops is if you lose something or show something to the public you don't want to show. That is oops. But we want to show ops. A big difference regarding that. I will get myself a cup of coffee if this works. And yeah. And now I need another function which is called image open. Image open, and now image new. Let's call it image new. And yeah, image new. After that, image dwarf, lot fill, we don't need this. Let's say image one point, image new point, save. Hopefully this works. Yeah, okay, we need to open, of course, this picture here. Where do we have it? Ah, look at that. How beautiful is that? Wow, yeah, perfect. Now we can. Now I'm really curious if random colors work with that. But yeah, perfect. Change the color in a perfect way now. Let's try to... Let's try to... I'm sorry. Kind of, I wouldn't say losing my mind, because I never had one mind, but change color, I'm just happy. Can we do something like 222? Okay. Okay, an integer black. Integer or string. Or the okay. Now it gets interesting. Okay. Interesting. There was a change color here. Now again, we need to create two random colors. Color 1 and color 2. Change color. Import numpy as np. Copy that from the last code and let's say color 1 and color 2. Ah, look at that. Cool. Really cool. Okay. Now let me see. Will I implement it now or after getting myself a cup of coffee? Yeah, I can drink one coffee and then before going to bed. I will maybe go to bed in an hour, but I will get myself a cup of coffee. See you in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. And now you see nothing new in the chat. Okay. By the way, I'm eating, so I will look in the chat. But if there's nothing new, I'm eating. I'm still here, but eating something. I'm looking in the chat and will respond to any question. Something like this. Because I kind of need to scoop together the time I have and need to multitask eating and yeah, streaming. Hope you don't mind.
Hello to the one who joined recently. I'm eating something, that's why I don't talk for the next 5 minutes, but if you ask me anything, I will answer. Hello, Aravav. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Don't know how much time it is in your country or how much time it is where you live. Okay, I'm almost finished. 1 second. So this can vanish. Can make it, I guess, a little bit quieter. Decrease the volume a little bit. And then 1 second. Or 2 seconds. Be there for you. Be there for you in a few seconds. So. Okay, so there we are. If you have any questions, want to know anything, want me to cover anything, please write it down in the chat, otherwise I will continue with Pygame. And yeah, so change the color. Now we will simply, oh, I didn't want to switch that. Okay, perfect. Now we will simply copy that. Random is not needed in that case. Maybe I want to try something like base images. If I'm inventory button refactor. Now if I run main, does he? Yeah, perfect. Because I need to base images, refactor. Okay, this was not good. Undo move, yes. Maybe let's do that later. Okay, now if we run the main, perfect. Now let's see at base images, level background. Save and procedural, yeah, something like this. I am doing a Pygame, a roguelike game in Python. If you want, if you want me to show you, I can simply show that. This little game here with randomly generated images, randomly generated items, everything is randomly generated in this game. And yeah, the enemies are the easiest ones. But and now I dropped a randomly generated sword. Can simply move this and it will do this little animation here. And I am able to move, we just level up, level 3. Now if I move to this door here, I get to the next level and new enemy types because we are at level 3, so yeah. And all sorts of things will happen. Level 5 we will get to the first boss room. And yeah, that's simply the actual game. Trying to improve it anytime. So next thing I wanna do is, what is the next thing I wanna do? Maybe maybe something like okay, level. Where is the storage? Main objects. Item, image load. Make transparent. Something like this. BG shades change. Return. Yeah, we should import Pygame, by the way. Import Pygame. Import Pygame image point load. File path. Okay, so next step is making it work regarding non-movable obstacles. BG file BG walk, okay. BG walk file equals and something like this. Where is the chat? Nothing new in the chat. Okay. So maybe maybe the may is B. Oh, this was such a bad pun. But anyways, can I do? Let me see. PNG. Now let's do something like we can simply make it like file path equals BG bricks. And now I can simply say no, I mean add BG change color. If random point went int else, now we need to from storage, okay, from Pygame whoop like point, storage point, images point, leveled BG import, BG change, Now let's say else bg change. Self point image equals bg change. Point switch color. Okay. bg bricks png. Let us see. Yeah, because it has to do something like where's Matplotlib's parent. Storage, it had to start with storage. So storage, storage, images, level bg, bg bricks has to be saved here. Here was out procedural. Let's do switch this. Yeah, let's switch this with this. Let's try it. Ah, no such file, yes, of course. Now where's the error again? I'm 51. Okay, let's see. By the way, anything new in the chat? No, nothing new in the chat. Okay, nothing new in the chat means nothing new in the chat. Okay. Pygame load. Storage images, level bg procedure. Okay. File equals big bricks point png and yeah. File and file. Okay, now let's try it again. Ah, here we go. Perfect. No. Okay, I'm dead, but looks cool. Okay. So, yeah. Still want to change it a little bit. Yeah, because it still needs improvement. Do I do that tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. See. Hello, Nomozov, how are you? Hopefully I pronounce your name wrong. I mean, hopefully I pronounce your name right. If not, I'm sorry. And I can hear myself. Yeah, hopefully I pronounce your name right. I'm doing some Pygame. If you have any questions, want to know anything, please let me know. Yeah. Now what I'm trying to do is level generator. So where do I do the obstacles? Close other tabs. I also want the non-movable obstacle. Okay. Image equals image and yeah, in this case, okay, we don't need that. Look in the chat. Well. By the way, do you do Python, or do you know anything regarding Python, or do you program in Python? If I'm singing strange things, I'm just going with the flow of the music. That's why I sometimes randomly start singing. I'm from Germany. Where are you from? So level generator, walk. Now let's see. Walk image equals image point, or let's say stop. Yeah, no movable obstacles. BG change. Now let's see. Class level, where do we have it? Here we have class level. Okay. Now we have switch color? No. Switch. BG change. Okay. BG change point switch color. Size. And image equals walk image. So okay, this looks bad. Oh, here we go. This looks better. Oh, I accidentally... I'm dead. Okay. But this works as well. Okay. So, but in a lot of cases, let me see if we do. Yeah, okay, it's... Okay, but... Oh yeah, this hurts in the eyes. But yeah, this makes diversity regarding level design. So it's at least something. So what have we here? Cool stone swords. Ah yeah, this is a good weapon with 4 area of effect. Okay, because next thing we gonna do is change the boss room entirely. Now we have fast enemies and I should be dead now because I accidentally... Oh yeah, I'm dead. Okay. Now let's have a quick look at the boss room. In a few seconds I will make... No break yet. I'm just thinking, how can I switch the boss room? Empty boss room. I have an idea. This one needs to be deleted, this one. And we will simply copy this. An empty boss room. By the way, really a noob thing to do. So where's empty boss room? Here it is? No, here it is. But with one big change. Oh, where's the start? Oh yeah, we need to also okay. Okay, so we also need to do a few changes regarding first things. One of them is that we simply have no real obstacles. Obstacles is an empty list. And yeah. Kind of need to delete this, non-saving. Okay, play standard level, play boss level. At least we shouldn't crash the game now. Okay, now we have at least swords. This is any, yeah, this is the best one. Has increased area of effect. Increased area of effect is the best effect. This seems also like a reasonable one. Pick it up. Yeah, this seems to be the best one. Even though the damage bonus is small. Okay, so oh yeah, these guys are scary. And killed me. Okay, got killed. Now, guess it's time to go to bed. I don't know. A few minutes. Maybe I will first brush my teeth, and while that I can think what to implement next and how I implement the boss room. Where do we have enemy list? Enemy list equals generate enemy list 2.
let's look at this function. What's this? Okay. No, I only want equals enemies. I will wash my teeth and then I will think about how to implement it. Yeah, that seems like a solid plan. So I will do that. I will be right back. In 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm back. Now I want to finish the boss room. At least something I wanna get ready until, yeah, heading straight into my bed. So I will go to enemies. And somewhere here should be the king blob. No, let's say king blob. No. I have to set X and Y. Let's say king blob X equals 2. Let's say it's 400 and Y equals 600. Now let's see. Now let's try to kill the boss. I need more swords. Oh, they are not that bad. Okay. Yeah, we try to get to level 5 so we can fight the boss, King Blob, and see if anything went finally good. Not that of a good sword, but if we kill more blobs, we get more swords. Let's see. Oh, we are at level 5, so next room should contain the boss. Here we get maybe a better sword. Yeah, much better. Plus 15 damage. It's more like it. Ah, here it's King Blob. Perfect. So he spawned. Does he drop the good stuff? Okay, he has much HP and he drops everything as promised. Even a ring. Okay. Let's see. And yeah, there we go, and yeah. A lot of new enemies and enemy types. Oh, almost got killed. Oh yeah, the ghosts are scary and you have to be careful. Okay, but yeah, works as, yeah. Oh, sorry. Maybe I will show you without the image so you can see it. Really sorry regarding that. Okay, I will show you without the image and then I will head straight into my bed. So yeah. Let's use cooler ones. Okay, I picked up a sword, which has a huge life bonus. Life is not that important. Damage bonus is more important. Here. Plus 8 damage plus 10 damage. This is good. Or at least reasonable. Need more damage for if you wanna. Let's collect all the swords we can find. Cause yeah. We need to have a good one if we wanna plus 15 damage. Or plus 21 damage, even better. Okay. Why? Oh, this is difficult. But yeah, I can tell you the boss fight works. There's an ad, but I also wanted to say goodbye, good night. And yeah, see you hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully I will be able to stream tomorrow. Maybe it will be a long stream. I need to make a longer stream this weekend. So I guess tomorrow will be the day. Until that, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you hopefully in the next stream. Bye bye.